back to my channel, and today we are playing some Bloxburg, and I'm just going to show you, as you can tell, I'm not at my house, because I kind of deleted it, because I got bored of it. I always get bored when I build, so just get used to that. I built a town, and I really like it, so I'm going to show you it, and I just realized I left my cars here from something else, but let's just go. So, my town is called Welcome to Minersville. Yes, that's Minersville. I found that one and I thought it was cute. To the side of that sign, we have a salon. We have like some sinks to like wash your hair, some dryers and stuff, and you just sit here. It's like the boys' side and the girl side's over here. It's pretty normal, pretty nice. It was like one of the quick builds, and then this is like where you get your houses and you work here. This is the offices. I really like it. Then we have the streets, and this is the daycare. You come here, you leave your kids. They come in here. They grab an iPad, a phone, a tablet, and they play with it. Here are the bathrooms. The bathrooms are like identical. Okay, actually, close this door. They're basically identical except for the signs, and they're kind of like mismatched. A little wardrobe for people to play dress up. A little what's this called? A hammock, I think. A TV area. Oh, I left that on. And here is where they sleep. It's a very colorful area. We have the girls' bed, the boys' bed, another girls' bed, and the other girls' bed. And as you can tell, this isn't like exactly like this. But I didn't add like the little quick things so you could just sneak over here. And this is a restaurant. This is a kitchen where you have a stool. You open it and you're this. Here's this restaurant. I didn't change the pictures or anything, but this restaurant is basically a cool idea of eating on a shelf. It's like a man restaurant, you eat buffalo wings. I'm pretty sure I just made it like this design, and I made it so the menu was like buffalo, like turkey, stuff like that. I made it so it's like a rough man food place. And then here's the candy store next to it. I got an idea of connecting the two because in a place, like a Mexican place we go to, I saw this idea and I was like, I remembered it. This is it. We have a ton of candies. It's good for roleplay. It might be coming out soon. And Bath and Body Works. So I have a ton of candles, some things, some picture frames. It's really nice. Bath and Body Works. It took me a while to make this since I have to put everything on shelves. And then I have a sink because you know how you sometimes try on soap and stuff. I did that. Wow, that's Bath and Body Works. That's the whole stores over here. Over here, right next door, we have over here we have Victoria's Secret. It's a clothing store. It's not really anything good you could buy your stuff, but you can try on the perfumes. Here's over here. You could try them on and be like, oh yeah, I want that one. Over here is a bank. I have ATMs over here, so you can get money. Then I have rows because you walk up and you're yeah, I would like to take this amount or pay me this check or blah blah blah. I have 3 of those. I put bank and then the ATM machine, and then you walk in here and these are the desks. Sorry if I sound like this the whole video. I'm getting sick. So yeah, just saying that. And then I already showed you this part, but here, when we walk from the sign next to the sign, we have a mailbox. Try to hide it with the trees. I didn't mean to have my cars here. that was an accident. But here is a park. I need to add lights to the park though. But here's a trampoline. You don't see trampolines a lot in parks, but I thought it was cute since the update. We got some swings. You see swings a lot. You see metal swings, but I don't like the metal swings. This is a rock wall. You could actually, for hide and seek, we just hide up here on the roof. So yeah. Okay, and then these are mats. And then this is a little area from the park to eat, and a sandbox. So we're just going to go into this other side. My Jeep is not supposed to be here, but we have it here. This is a grocery store. The shelves are like getting out of stock because I ate a lot of potato chips. We have like some shelves where you buy stuff. Like, oh. Then here, like, it looks really nice and stuff. And we have a bakery area. And here's where, like, you sit and buy stuff. So yeah, that's the grocery store. Of course, I had a Taco Bell. It's like one of my favorite places. We just have this. It's really bright, which I'm like okay with because it's like Taco Bell's like yellow orangey, so that's what I put. But since with this brick though, it's just a small bathroom. And then here's the cooking area, and then the Taco Bell menu. It's a little one because Taco Bell, I feel like, makes smoothies and stuff like that, but there's really nothing else you could order. This is Starbucks slash like a cafe area. I did it really fancy, so I put piano, and then I really put bakery stuff there, but this is that. I really like it. What is this? Okay, we're gonna delete that because I have no idea what that is. Next is the App Store, which is a glass roof. And we have the computers, the AirPods, the tablets, and the phones here. We have like some things that I just put that look like Apple. And a lot of Apple signs, and then here's where you go buy stuff. Over here is the Gucci store. I do have gold, the green, red, and yellow items. Just like the theme of it. Some shoes, some golden toothbrushes, hairbrushes, pencil cases or whatever. And the Gucci, a lot of Gucci and shop. And that's the end over here. And we're just gonna jump over. And this is my school. It's pretty tall. It looks like a castle though, but it's not supposed to be a castle. We have the American flag over here. Zoom in on my screen. This is a pretty bright area. Oof, it's really bright. Okay, so here's like where you eat, the cafeteria. You order your menu, and here's where the luxuries would be at. Here is the daycare. I mean, not daycare. It's like what's it called? A preschool area, you know. I love the teacher's desk. So here's like where that goes on. And then over here is the detention room. Oh my gosh, these lights are so bright. Oh, so here's the detention area. You got the bag and stuff. And then the principal's office is right here. Then you go upstairs, and this is like the lockers, the boys' bathroom. The boys' bathroom is really big, so oh whoa. Okay, that's supposed to be the girls' bathroom. I don't know why it's so bright though. Like all these. Okay. I want to fix the lighting issues at the end of the video and show it in other things because this goes too bright. So over here we have a ice cream place truck thing. So here you just go and stand up in the kitchen. Over here, there's supposed to be houses. Like I'm building this house that's going up so far. We have a curly stair and stuff, and then the bathroom. I just been building. And the houses are not done, but I did want to show you this before we do a role play, which is gonna come out like today, but later on. I'm gonna show you that part. This is the parking garage where you come up here and park the car. It's 2 stories. Just go up here and park the cars. It's a pretty normal place. I built it because a lot of cities have it, and I don't have garages. Here is a hotel. And over here, this is the eating area. This is the bathroom. These stalls are pretty small. Then we have 2. Oh. This is the little where you like put the computer. This is the kitchen. Upstairs we have the bedroom. We have the bathroom. The like area where you put your clothes and stuff. And then you're sitting like what's it called? The sleeping. This is another room. They're cute. Here's the bathroom. And then the last room is this room. We got coffee. Here's the bathroom. Here's the sitting area, and here are the beds. So let me fix the school area, because that's like really dumb, and then I'm gonna add lights to the park, and I think we should be good with that. And then I'll show you the end, and you'll see that's the entire town. So in a second, I will show you the school. Okay, so I think I fixed the problem of all of these being too bright, except for these lights. And they're not even on. Okay. It's pretty bright. So this is the boys' bathroom. It's pretty small. Oh, I forgot to change it, but this is the boys' bathroom. The girls' bathroom is not very dark. It's not the best, but there's like showers. So there's a shower. Here is the art room, which we need to change the pictures. Here is the band / music room. And then upstairs is some more lockers. The math room. The library is pretty bright. The science room. The computer room is like the best room. The vending machine and more lockers. So this is going to be the end for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing my town, and you're going to see it more on role plays, and when I'm done building the houses, I'll show you them all to you guys. As you can see, my money is like low right now. Like I only have 372k, which would be enough to finish one house and to delete these bright lights and change them. But I do just want to like probably let's see if they're gonna work more. I love my town. I started just building the grocery store, and it turned out pretty, so I just started building more things. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please hit the like button if you did, and please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. Bye!